Urui-Aikhal from Almaty. Hello everyone, my name is Yhyah and this is my first video in English. Today I want to tell you about Yhyakh, a traditional Sakha festival that took place in Kazakhstan. Stop! Sounds a little confusing, right? Let me explain who we are and how we ended up here. Who are the Sakha people and how did we come to Kazakhstan? The Sakha are the northern Turkic people. We live in the Republic of Sakha, also known as Yakutia, into the northeastern Russia. Like our ancestors, we honor the sun. We have our own traditional belief system called Yhyah, which is similar to Tengrism. The year 2022 became a turning point for many Sakha people. Many families moved to Kazakhstan and found a new home here, including my own family. For 4 years in a row, the Sakha community in Kazakhstan has organized this celebration as part of cultural festival of friendships between the Sakha and Kazakh peoples. Every year, people come to Yhyakh from different cities and countries around the world. Yhyakh begins with a blessing ceremony called Alghys. During the ceremony, we ask the Yhyah deities for blessings. We also make offerings to the spirits of the land by placing butter and the khomus, a traditional drink made from Mars milk, in the sacred fire. I can proudly say that our Yhyakh in Almaty follows the traditions and customs of the festival very closely. Every year it becomes bigger, more beautiful and more welcoming. For the second year in a row, respected Sakha grandmothers have come from Yakutia to help lead the ceremonies, share their knowledge, and teach us the tradition of our ancestors.
Hürmetli konuklar, Sakha halkının desturu boyunca ciğer ananı kuvvetlendiren reisin rasaları, kımız arnayı çoğu
tirer təğim boluqton ütemanı canlar bar Yhyakha ürdügü tütten ürgörür gıybetin talaru callah bu sana Yhyakha ayan tut.
Students who study and live in Kazakhstan take part in the ceremony along with the organizers of the festival. These are ordinary Sakha people who work, study and build their lives there. They come from many different professions and backgrounds. At Yhyakh, you can hear traditional songs called Yhyakh, listen to Olonkho storytelling, enjoy khomus music, and join Osuokhai.
Ulu melekemiz, dostluğumuzun simvolu boladığına seviniriz.
Клип. Да. Солдатом заехал.
Gine ikke takta, tingelen sireida, tikata, engine geida, ergişiye niyetçakta, ula yuda, uha tonurukta, ula kasaka baraksan, uyu ayaroksun, ikiye nile çakçı yiğidinde.
Bu tarafta Urui-Aikhal sarılar, Olonkho. Sargılar sayılır salallan kendince. Uyku bir yanıyız, bu yürüdün bir bütçe. Red Uygar kıskanıyız, çünkü bir de ülkelenir. 1, 2, 3.
Ceride ottor, ügüş canı tümer uruyda ulu Osuokhaiga. Bari birge bir ki kurduk turuğun, ili
Onyan körlen körüğün. Olonkho'da
Osuokhai is a traditional Sakha circle dance. People hold hands, sing, and move together in a large circle. It symbolizes life, the sun, and the unity of the people, and it is one of the most important parts of the Yhyakh. Guests come to Yhyakh from many different countries. For example, our friend Yhyakh comes from Ireland. Every year she joins us to practice the Sakha language and spend time with the community.
Раннардах сергелерден күні кірсі әхәрдәлі көтін инен күрді қауыптар Yhyakh үпірін тұмек ола елін атылар бар Мекере музыка тарадылына тола бар
For the second year in a row, our whole family has helped organize the Yhyakh. My oldest son dances in the opening ceremony and take part in the rituals. My husband and I organize a children area called Osuokhai, where kids can play games and enjoy different traditional activities. Our children not only take part in the games, but also help organize the festival and perform in the concerts. This is how we contribute to preserving our traditions and teaching them to the next generation from an early age.
Ого! Osuokhai'dir. Osuokhai. İliler bitten. Ilsan. Tarbaqtar bitnan, tardihan, tongolaq bitinan, tutuhan, Osuokhaidan.
This year, we also organized traditional Sakha board games for the first time. The games attract a lot of attention. Everyone could join, learn, and play. We are planning to expand this area next year. All of the board games are handmade from wood. Sakha students studying here gladly join us and help introduce visitors to traditional games. The most popular were Kabalık and Kamska. Many people stop by to learn the rules, play, and experience a small part of Sakha culture. By the way, the khomus competition is organized by our American friend James. He speaks the Sakha language very well and loves playing the khomus.
На органе я играю на людях, по-моему, третий раз.
Many activities happen at the same time during Yhyakh, and everyone can choose what they would like to watch or participate in. One of the most exciting parts of the Yhyakh is definitely the sports competitions. Anyone can take part in traditional Sakha sports games. One example is Master Dihita, or also can call it mass wrestling, where both women and men compete. Mass wrestling is a traditional Sakha sport. Two athletes sit facing each other and pull on a wooden stick. The winner is the person who can take the stick from their opponent or pull them forward. It may look simple, but it requires a lot of strength, technique, and determination.
Zarina yekile babto. Jahamay uhum kisi wala boyu gece gela. Чемпион. Sultan давай! Bugün iti heltonlarga jere bastavat buyo. Sultan kita. Finalda. Ama ikisini kadar bitti.
Another traditional sport is Hapsagai wrestling, a beautiful and dynamic form of Sakha wrestling. The goal is simple: make your opponent touch the ground with any part of the body except their feet. Wrestlers use throws, trips, and quick movements to gain an advantage. This year we introduced even more activities. For example, we had a holiday race where women ran in traditional Sakha dresses and competed for a speed. This is my first video in English, and I hope you learned something new about my people, our traditions, and our favorite celebration, Yhyakh. Thank you for watching.